Yes, get ready. This is a dictation at the rate of 80 words per minute. Yes, start. The All India Institutes of Medical Sciences is a group of autonomous government public medical universities of higher education under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. These institutes have been declared by an Act of Parliament as institutes of national importance. AIMS New Delhi, the forerunner institute, was established in 1956 under the administration of Jawaharlal Nehru. Since then, 24 more institutes were announced. It is considered as pioneer health institution of South Asia, creating a country imbued with a scientific culture was Jawaharlal Nehru's dream, and immediately after independence he prepared a grand design to achieve it. Among the temples of modern India which he designed was a center of excellence in the medical sciences. Nehru's dream was that such a center would set the pace of medical education and research in Southeast Asia, and in this he had the wholehearted support of his health minister Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Para. The main objectives of AIMS were to develop a pattern of teaching in undergraduate and postgraduate medical education in all its branches so as to demonstrate high standard of medical education to all medical colleges and other allied institutions in India. Secondly, to bring together in one place educational facilities of the highest order for the training of the personnel in all important branches of the health activity. Lastly, to attain self-sufficiency in postgraduate medical education. The main functions of the AIMS were set as 1. Undergraduate and postgraduate teaching in medical and related physical, biological sciences. 2. Nursing and dental education. 3. Innovations in medical education. 4. Producing medical teachers for the country. 5. Research in medical and related sciences. 6. Preventive, promotive and curative health care at primary, secondary and advanced level. 7. Community based teaching and research. Para. The foundation stone of AIMS Delhi was laid in 1952. The first AIMS was established in 1956 under the All India Institute of Medical Sciences Act 1956 under Jawaharlal Nehru. Originally proposed to be established in Calcutta, it was established in New Delhi following the refusal of the Chief Minister of West Bengal, Bidhan Chandra Roy. The Act established AIMS New Delhi, which was then known simply as All India Institute of Medical Sciences, and gave the Institute of National Importance. In 2003, the Government of India announced the Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana initiative which aimed at correcting regional imbalances in the availability of affordable and reliable tertiary healthcare services. This was to be done through two main channels: one, setting up aims like institutions, and second, upgrading government medical colleges. Though the announcement was made in 2003 during Atal Bihari Vajpayee's tenure, the project was delayed. PMSSY was officially launched in March 2006 and six aims like medical institutes were announced. The six institutes became operational through an ordinance from September 2012. Para, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences Amendment Bill 2012 was introduced in the Lok Sabha on 27th August 2012 in order to replace that ordinance. Lok Sabha passed the bill on 30th August 2012. It was introduced in Rajya Sabha on 3rd September 2012 and passed on 4th September 2012. The Act was published on 13th September 2012. The Act also allowed the institutes to operate more autonomously and awarded them the INI status. It also conferred the power to establish other aims like institutes by Gazette notification. Equal medical institutes were announced for underserved states like Patna, Bhopal, Raipur, Bhubaneswar, Jodhpur, and Rishikesh. AIMS strives hard to make world-class clinical care available to millions of underprivileged citizens of India and neighboring countries. While its magnificent building and high-tech facilities may create a superficial image of elitism, a visit to AIMS is enough to dispel such illusion. Its corridors are thronged by patients, most of them too poor to afford quality treatment elsewhere. They come here with high hopes because of the reputation which AIMS has built up. Para, AIMS is at present not a single hospital but a composition of facilities. It has over 1500 spread over the main hospital, Dr. Rajendra Prasad Center for Ophthalmic Sciences, Cardio Center, Neurosciences Center, Institute Rotary Center, Hospital, and De-Addiction Center. This complex of facilities caters to about 1.5 million outpatients and 80,000 inpatients every year. The number of surgical operations performed at AIMS last year was over 1 lakh. However, the strength of AIMS does not lie in numbers but in availability under one roof of the best team of medical and surgical experts, state-of-the-art equipment, and our capacity to rise to the occasion to meet diagnostic or public health challenges, be it the auto-analyzer or the linear accelerator, magnetic resonance imaging, or the gamma knife. AIMS has them all. Once something new arrives on the scene, someone somewhere takes the initiative and musters the energy and drive required to get it stopped and over.